Hello everyone, this is Unit 3 Class 2. We'll still be discussing about the colors. As we have discussed that the whole Unit 3 would be based on color, you must make sure the students recognize all the colors we have been discussing here on in these lectures. Also, we have been introducing with some new objectives, new products and new things. Make sure the students learn those vocabularies as well. Now, let's just focus again the last colors we have learned in the last class. We'll be still discussing those are the basic color actually. You all probably know. We just need to teach the students all these colors. Now, this is where you need to focus on teaching. Look at this very first four objects. All of them are in yellow. Make sure you teach them the correct pronunciation. Yellow, yellow. It's not YOLO. It's yellow, yellow. Now look at this very first one. It's the sun. The sun is yellow. The sun is yellow. The next one is the corn. The corn is yellow and green. The corn is yellow and green. Next one is cheese. 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 The cheese is yellow. The cheese is yellow. The last one is the drum of color. It's a drum of yellow color. They are the raw yellow color. Go to the next one. It's the color red. There are four different objects in red color. What are these objects? The very first one is the cap. Cap. You wear it on the head. Yeah, those who have caps, they already know it's a cap, but those who don't have, you could recognize it from here. On the other hand, the students, they are very young at the moment. They haven't seen cap yet. Even they have seen it, they don't know the English name of it. So you need to teach them this is a cap. The cap is red. This is a cap. The cap is red. The next one, you have taught it to the student in the last class. What was it? It's the strawberry. The strawberry. The strawberry is red and there are some green with it. The strawberry is red and green. Look at the car. It has got red color and black wheel. Black wheel. Red color car with black wheel. The next one is a drum of red color. Yeah, you can store color or the liquid color in it. The next pictures, all these four pictures are in blue. It's the sky that is blue. The sky is blue. The sky is blue. Next one is the blueberry. These are blueberries. These are blueberries. Look at this owl. Look at this owl. It's the blue owl. A blue owl, not owl. It's owl. This is an owl. This is an owl. The owl is blue. The next one is a drum of blue color. A drum of blue color. Go to the next four objects. What you can see? There are four different objects in green. 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 Look at this hat. It's a green hat. It's a green hat. It's a green hat. It's a green hat. Look at this vegetable. It's a green vegetable. It's a green vegetable. It's a green vegetable. The next one is a frog. Frog. It's a green frog. It's a green frog. The next one is a drum of green color. A drum of green color. The next four objects are in orange color. Yeah, look at this ball. The ball is orange. The ball is orange. These are carrots. The carrots are orange. This is a goldfish. This is a goldfish. Can you see this fish? These are known as goldfish. Goldfish. The goldfish are orange. And the last one, it's a drum of orange color. Now go to the next page. What you can see, this is where you try out the students. Here, our main objective is to find out if the student has learned all those basic colors that we wanted them to recognize in the very first class. In the first class, they might not have enough time to recognize all those colors. That's why we are repeating all these colors again. We're showing them the same color again and again and again so that they remember all those colors vividly. Because this is very important that you recognize the color and the name of those colors in English. Now, do this exercise. See, here you can see some objects and the name of those color. You ask the student to match between the color and the name of the color. Those colors and the name of the colors, they are not given in the proper order. The student should point the object with the correct color name using arrows. Just like the exercise, it has given an example. We have shown you how they could do it. You show it to the students. You just take the arrow from here to here. For example, the first one is a tomato. Tomato. The tomato is red. It's a red tomato. So the arrow went to the color red. The next one is a blue dress. You just take an arrow and point it to the blue. It's right up to the red. The student should be able to do it. If they fail to do it, once all of them are done, you help them doing it. Next exercise is the same thing. It's showing different objects and they should match the color name. That means here we will be able to understand, or you will be able to understand if the students have learned this color perfectly or not. Like this one, red. Object seems to be red here, like the sofa. See, the sofa is red. The student should be able to point out that the sofa is red. If you ask them which one is in yellow color, see the t-shirt, it's in yellow color. Ask the student which one is the purple color. Yeah, see that fruit is a purple color. Which one is the blue color? The sky is blue. So you just do this activity. It should take around 25 to 30 minutes if you have got more than 20 students in your class. So make sure all of them do the activity. Now go to the next exercise here. Can you see it's a kind of different here? You're just showing them the color, not just showing them the color. Here written red, blue, yellow, green. Yeah, see in the red box it is marked as red. Rest of the boxes are not marked as their color. So what you ask the students to do, first ask the student to fill those shapes. It's a kind of shapes that is pointing like an arrow. You ask the student to fill this shape just like this red one. See, red is pointing to the red apple. Next one is blue. How you should do it, the student should be able to paint this shape into blue and then create an arrow, take it to this blue berries. The next activities. This is the interesting part here. You take the students to the drawing class. Yes, while they are learning the colors, they should enjoy it. This is the enjoying class. They should learn to draw here. Yeah, first you can see these shapes, right? These are balloons. In this exercise page, it is telling you to fill these balloons with different colors. So here, look at the very first one saying green, yellow and blue color. You ask the student to fill these balloons with the color it is written inside. The name of the color is written inside in the balloons here. And whatever name is written here inside in the balloon, the student should fill that color. I am doing some of the examples for you, and you do the same for the students so that the student understand what they should do, and then let them paint all these balloons on their own. Now the very first one is talking about green. I'm showing you, you just do the same thing, like take this page and paint it green in front of the student, like, and tell them, students, you paint these balloons green. The next one I am painting the next one into yellow. You do the same thing, show it to the student, yeah, now I am painting it yellow. See, right, this. And the next one I am painting it blue. The student should be able to paint the next one as blue, just like this. Now you do one or two examples just like this, the way I have done it, and then ask the student to fill the rest of the balloons in the same way. The next one, you can see there are ghosts, and in this ghost there are some numbers given for the students, and also some instructions are given beneath these ghosts. What you can see, the first one, number 1, it's saying number 1 is green. That means the number 1 ghost will be green color, and the number 2 one will be orange color ghost. So you ask the student, whatever is written here in the instruction, that number should be in that color. Just like this, the number 1 is written in green. The number 1 ghost is green, so you should paint the number 1 as green. Let me just show you how you should do it. Look at this one, it's talking that number 1 is green, so I'm painting number 1 as green. Where is number 1? Here is number 1, so the number 1, I'm just painting it into green. The whole number 1, the ghost would be green. Well, you make sure the student have the color pencils with them, and if they don't have it, you need to provide it to the students. Make sure you have all the arrangement before you start these color classes, especially the lecture 2 classes. Now the number 2 is talking about orange. Here let me see, what is number 2? See, all these ghosts, they are not in the correct order, so you need to help the students to find out the correct order. Like, this is number 2 and I need to paint number 2 as orange. This is the orange ghost, so what I'm doing, I'm just painting this orange. This is a orange ghost. Let me just do the painting. I'm painting. The students will do the same, and it's gonna take some time for them. There will be some students who will be missing the colors. Help them finding out it. Now this is the 2 I've just done it. The student should done it for all these ghosts presented here. Once they have done it, you do this activity. You bring some of the students and ask them which color is number 8, which color is number 2. Yeah, they should be able to point out the correct color. Yeah, you could do the same activity for the balloons one as well. Now the next page, what you can see, there are some smiley. All of these smileys are literally smiling just like me. Now ask the student to write down the color's name under the smiley. There is a space given for them to write down the name. The first one is black, then yellow, then white, then orange, then green, then purple, then blue, then the gray, and then the pink smiley. Make sure they pronounce it in the correct way as well as they write the correct spelling. It should be like this: black, 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 yellow, yellow, white, white, orange, orange, green, green, purple, purple, blue, blue, gray, 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 pink, pink, pink. That's all for the class 2. You make sure the students they can do all these coloring activities, and make sure these coloring activities and the painting activities becomes fun in the classroom. If they get fun in the classroom, they would be learning it spontaneously, and you don't have to teach a simple things to the students.